is Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with some more holiday glam. So we're getting right into it. I'm going into my Anastasia and Jackie Aina collab palette. And I'm going in with that tan color at the bottom. And I'm just building that into my crease and like as my transition. So I pack it on and then I blend it out. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just going to continue to blend until I get my desired color. Then I'm going into my Juvia's Place Tri palette, and I'm sorry I don't have these colors off the top of my head, but I'm going into that tealish blue color at the bottom. It's the matte one, and I'm going to start packing that in my inner corner and then in my outer corner, and I'm leaving the center of my eyelid empty. And I'm doing a packing motion especially for this color, so it's just going to keep the eyeshadow concentrated in those two areas. Then I'm just going to go in with a clean fluffy brush and kind of blend out the top part where it blends into the crease, just to make sure that everything is still blended seamlessly. Going back into that Tri palette, I'm using the glitter teal color. It's like a bluish teal, and I'm going to apply that into the center of my lid, into that area that we left blank. So basically the difference between this color and the one before is that this one is a glitter, the other one is a matte, but they're pretty much the exact same color. So I'm just packing that glitter eyeshadow right in the center of my lid. Then I'm going to go back in with the matte color and pack some more of that eyeshadow in, just because it started to get a little faded. And then I'm going to slowly kind of blend the two together. Then I'm going back into my Anastasia palette, and I'm using this dark brown color, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease. This is just going to kind of smoke the eye out a little bit, and it's going to give it more of a nighttime glam kind of look, in my opinion. It definitely deepens and darkens it a little bit and makes it a little more sultry. And you guys know I love me some sultry makeup looks. And then after I do this, I'm just going to basically go back in with those same colors and reapply them. This is how you build the eyeshadow to get that intensity. I got a question on my last makeup video, and someone was saying how their eyeshadows don't look the same. And the key to that is you have to build your eyeshadows. I had to learn this. For a while, I would just do a little bit of the colors, and I'm like, it doesn't pop. But you really have to go in and reapply and just kind of build those eyeshadows until you get your desired color. That's the key to making your eye looks bold and to make them stand out more. Of course, priming and all that stuff is important too. But yeah. And so to finish it off, I'm just going in with these two glitters, these gold glitter colors, and I'm just going to pop that into my most inner corner, just for a little pop. And then I'm going to take some liquid liner, and I'm applying a real thin line along my lash line, mainly just for my lashes to blend in a little bit better. But yeah, I'm not doing a thick line or anything. And then I'm going into some mascara and just prepping my eyelashes for my falsies. And my falsies are now, the glue is drying and everything on them, so those are put to the side. But yeah, I'm just prepping my eyes before I pop my false lashes on. And then I'm going to go on to finishing the rest of my face. So yeah, I did most of my foundation and concealer and stuff off camera because I'm pretty much doing the same stuff. So I'm just setting my foundation using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And so I'm setting my foundation and blending out all of those highlighted areas. And then I'm going to bronze slash contour a little bit using my Black Radiance contour palette in the deep dark color. And then I'm going to pop on a little blush to my cheeks. And I will leave a list of everything that I use down in the description box if you guys want more details. But it's pretty much the stuff that I use all the time. And then I'm going into this highlight from Black Radiance, and I'm going to apply that as well. And then I'm going to go back into the eyes, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. And I'm just using that same dark brown eyeshadow from the Jackie Aina palette that we used in the crease. And I'm just applying that under my eyes just to smoke it out some. And then I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. And then I'm going to pop on my lashes. I cannot think of the name off the top of my head, but I used them in my previous Holiday Glam makeup tutorial. They are a brand that I've never heard of, but I purchased them at Marshall's. So I'm gonna try to fill that in at the bottom too, if I can remember what the name of these lashes are. But yeah, I'm popping those on because this look is kind of dramatic, so I definitely needed a more dramatic lid. And then we're gonna finish this look off with lips. So I'm going into my usual dark brown lip pencil, and I'm just going to outline my lips. Then I'm going to use MAC Honey Love. It's a lipstick from MAC, so I'm just going to apply a little of that into the center and kind of blend it into the brown liner. And then I'm using Dreamy, which is also a MAC lip gloss, and I'm applying that over, and I'm just kind of rubbing my lips to kind of blend all of those colors in together. And that is the final look, you guys. So here's just another holiday makeup option if you're not really into like the gold, silvers, and reds. It still kind of has that holiday feel, but it's not really like traditional holiday makeup. So again, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.